let's take a tour of my room. This is the Carnival Liberty, and this is room 9210. It is very far forward. That's the very front. And it's right here. There's only a couple rooms past, and it's all the way down there. Housekeeping has already been in, so let's go in and take a look. Alright, let me put the key in. Let's go in. Alright. So here we are. This is a balcony. And let's, more of that view in a minute. So here we are. This is the map, and this is where we're located. It's Muster Station B, so pretty far forward. And here's the room right here. And on the 9th floor, which is the Lido deck, I just go down the hall to the buffet and everything. And yeah, enough of the back of the door. You want to see the rest of it, don't you? So here's the light switch. You just push that and it lights up the room. And housekeeping has been in. And we'll get onto that in a minute. Let's start here. This is, y'all, this is an older ship, but it's very much like the Glory, the Valor that I've been on. So we do have the 3 closets here. And I'm traveling by myself. So I'm just kind of using this closet as I wore this last night. So I'm putting it over here. If I decide I want to wear it again, it's over here. But this way I can keep up with what I wore to dinner last night. This is what I used for my carry-on. It's got lots of pockets. It's nice and big, and I do like a backpack when I travel. So that's all that's in there. Plenty of closet space though. And here's closet number 2. This is all of my dress shirts, and my pants are down there. And what is that? I got to get my trash. I bring a trash bag for dirty clothes, so I need to put that in the dirty clothes. And then over here I've got my shoes there. This is just shelves in here. And then I've got underwear and lots of t-shirts here. And I've got shorts here. There's my trash bag. I need to pull that out. This is what I bring to put my dirty clothes in. And we got life jackets down there. And I think there was one. Wasn't there one down here? Yes, there was one down here. So there's 3 in this room. So I guess this room must sleep 3. Let's turn around here and go to the bathroom. Okay, we just have stand-up shower here. And this is kind of a unisex type of shampoo and shower gel. If you like your own scent, bring your own. As you can see, I have brought my own body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I do bring, well, we'll talk more about I don't know, we can, if it's here, we'll talk about it. This is what I like to bring as a razor. I don't have to pack shaving cream or anything. It's all in the one thing. This, I think, is what a Chic Intuition, I think is what it's called. But that's what I shave with. And so we got the shower. It does have the, if you have like a wet swimsuit or something, to hang up here. This just attaches over there. But I don't plan on swimming. Matter of fact, I didn't even bring a bathing suit. So, and we just have your standard toilet here and plenty of towels. And I'm by myself, so I just kind of used up everything. That's my hair towel. So if you've seen my hair, you know the issue with my hair. I need my own hair towel. So I bring that and just use the various shelves for various things. If I had somebody else with me, I would just use one side, like the cruise in March where I brought my granddaughter. She had one side and I had the other side. But just, you know, standard sink area. Plenty of Kleenex here and extra boxes over there. Extra toilet paper over there. And do not bring your own toilet paper. Otherwise, things might back up. This toilet paper is made for cruise ships, and it needs to be this kind. You can, you know, you'll be able to suffer through for a week or so. I mean, I use way softer toilet tissue at home myself, but I don't want the sewer backing up. You know what I mean? So just, you'll be okay. Use their toilet paper. Okay, let's There, that's my preaching for today. All right, let's shut this door. And this, I think, pretty sure that folds out into another bed. And let's take a look, see here. Well, it must fold down. Let's see here. I don't know. Maybe they just make this up. I don't know how they do it, but it's got to be a bed because there's 3 life jackets in here. And there's 2 of these towels here. This is what you take out to the pool, or if you have a shore excursion at a beach or whatever, you take these out with you. You got to be sure and bring them back. Otherwise, you'll get charged $20-something for each towel. All right, then we have the little lights here. Let's see, one light here. Let's see here. Let me see if it'll turn on. There we go. So we have the one little light there. And over here, we've got 2 bedside tables, and they're just alike. But these do have the USB ports on each lamp, which is really important because when I went on the Glory back in March, there was nothing, no USB port at all, and in the lamps, you just had lamps. And so I really like the extra ports. That way I can plug in my Kindle, I can plug in my cell phone and charge them. And then same one over there, that one over there has got USB ports as well. And here we go. They've got the 2 singles pushed together, so it's just me, so I just said push them together, make a king. And we do have our little towel animal, elephant, today. And I like to save these. He's going to get lined up here on the couch, and I'll add him, well, I'll add each one each day to my little towel animal collection. I took a step back so that we could get this whole side. So over here we've got, let's see. Okay, so that turns those lights on. That turns those lights on. And turn it back off. I don't need that. And we have a phone. Here's all my little stuff I've got. This is a fan, y'all. I found this on Amazon. Let me see if I can open it. It should be charged. So like for a port day or whatever. And it's got different strengths, y'all. It's a pretty good little fan. But, you know, I sweat when it's hot, so. And it's got a USB plug. Here's the one plug in the room right here. And I have this that I just plug in. Goes in this way. And this has got 3 plugs and 2 USBs here. But with the USBs on the lamp over there, I'm good. Y'all, this is just camera equipment. This is my battery charger, and this goes on my camera, and extra batteries, extra cards. Okay, we get these every day. I did have an issue. My card said your time dining. That is not what I booked. I booked early dining, and I had to go tend to that yesterday on embarkation day, and y'all, that was not fun. We'll talk about that whole scenario on another video. But you do have a pencil and a little notepad. And over here we've got, let's see, here's the TV up here, and down in here is the safe. This is where you can put anything you need to keep safe, like cash or birth certificates, passport, all that kind of stuff. Just be sure to retrieve it before you leave, because back in March my granddaughter almost forgot her birth certificate in this thing, and I asked her the day we were getting off, I said, did you open that safe? She's like, oh my gosh, I did not. So I would suggest maybe setting an alarm or something on your cell phone to remind you, like say 7 a.m. Gosh, you can be off the ship, walking off the ship at 7, or maybe even the night before. Some kind of alarm that says retrieve items from safe. Something to remind you to get everything out. You got it. You know, you seal it with the card, close it with the card or whatever. Okay, shut that up. And this is just the, this is where they have these $4.50 bottles of water. water glasses, a tray, and this is my little fan for the room. It extends up, and it's got a little remote control. This is awesome. I like to sleep with a fan. Down here, I don't have anything in this. I don't think I did. Okay, no, I don't. This is a little refrigerator cooler. If I had something in here, I would pull this out a bit and keep this door open here to keep the circulation going to make sure the stuff stays colder. And then we have a trash can down here and a stool. And then in this drawer is where the hair dryer is. You cannot get to the plug to plug in your own hair dryer. That's the plug right there. Alright, and then just a couple of drawers. I don't have anything in these. I have plenty of space. Whoops. In the closet, so all my clothes are stored in there. And over here, I've got these little shelves and night clothes there. And that's my reading books. Y'all, I had to go on Amazon and find this book. I had this book when I was in high school, and I had originally bought it to read while recovering and getting my wisdom teeth taken out when I was 17 years old. I had lost my book, so I had to go on Amazon and find it. They don't make this book anymore, and you see the one I got is used and the cover's falling off, but I just love this book. The main character's name in here is Kim, so a book about Kim. And then I got me a new Stephen King book. I like books for a cruise, so I can sit when I want to and just read all day long if I feel like it. And then in here we've got a couple of shelves. I've got some things stored in here, things like sunscreen and everything. Whoops. This is a bag of zipper bags, and they're quite useful to have on hand. So I always travel with zipper bags. And over here is the balcony. So they are washing the balcony, so I can't really go out there. I don't know if you can see. They've got the divider opened up here so that they can go all the way down the length of the balconies and wash them. So I'll know that I can go out there when I see the dividers back up. But for now, we're going to stay off of the balcony. It shouldn't take them too long. So, but look at that view. I love me a balcony. I really do. Well, there's my room tour. Room 9210 on the Carnival Liberty. And this is day 2. We just got on the ship yesterday, and I did have some issues. I'll talk about that in another video. But so far, it's a good day today. I've had my coffee, so that's awesome. I had breakfast, and I'm not sure what I want to do today. I'm just going to have to look at my little planner and figure out something. But that's going to be it for today's room tour video, and I will see y'all later. Bye.